going good, guys? I'm your girl, Chelsea Silverman, and I'm here at Juiceteria. I'm the health director and the raw vegan chef, and I'm gonna teach you how to extract the juice of this beautiful wheatgrass in a blender. Totally cool. So if you don't have a wheatgrass machine at home, because they're really expensive, then this is the easiest way to go to get your chlorophyll and your protein all from this little plant. So we're obviously gonna use some wheatgrass, and I have filtered water here and then some coconut water. That kind of depends on you. If you want a little bit more sweetness, use coconut water. If you don't really mind about flavor, then just go for your filtered water. So I'm gonna go for my filtered water, but I'm gonna keep the coconut water right near me just in case. And we'll open up our blender. And we'll just go ahead and start sticking in our wheatgrass so we can extract some juice. So I'll start with a nice cup's worth of wheatgrass and a fingerful. And then I'm gonna add about 8 ounces of water. And then we simply will blend it up in our blender. You need muscles for this one. But the cool thing about this is wheatgrass will help give you muscle, so you need to do this in order to get the muscle to extract the juice. Love it! Turn it up. Then you'll do your last step, which is making a little bit of a mess, but it's all good because that's what Bryant is here for, to help me clean everything up. And this smells like wheat grass, y'all, okay? I am not messing around. I'm gonna use a strainer over here to extract the juice of the wheatgrass. And how neat is this? You don't even need to purchase a wheatgrass machine in order to get your daily dose of wheatgrass. You just need a blender, preferably a Vitamix, and you have wheatgrass juice right here, and then you can use the froth or the excess into a smoothie or whatever you want, compost. So I'm gonna take a shot right quick because I need to wake my booty up. It's really good. And you know what makes it awesome? It's not too strong because we added the filtered water. So if you added the coconut water, great for after the gym, great for the first thing in the morning. You name it, you got it. Just get your wheatgrass on, y'all.